a homeowner, there are many things that can cause you headaches. One of those is mold. With now being the peak time for indoor mold concerns, the folks at Ram Restoration have some tips to help ease the problem. Randy and Charles join us now. Welcome to you both.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, we'll start with you if we can, Randy. So why is now the big time? Of course, I'm guessing the damper weather.
Well, absolutely. This time of year, we run into a lot more mold and a lot more indoor air quality issues, and we see more sicknesses as well.
Yeah.
When we're dealing with all the rains and people run into issues with floods in their houses and water intrusions that come in. And that's when our phones start ringing.
Yeah.
And
if we, what are some important signs that mold is growing in our home?
Well, the first is if you could, identify, see the spots that are coming in, and then, know a known water leak coming in. But a lot of times you don't see, something, and so the symptoms of your body, you're sneezing, coughing, red eyes, headaches, and so forth. That there are a lot of things that our body tells us that something's not right.
And so none of those are good things. And
No.
mold can cause a real problem. There's a way that you all can come in and kind of fix that.
Absolutely. When you deal with mold, I mean, everybody's body affects, is affected differently by it. You go online and get scared by what you read, and mold is a toxin. And a lot of people say, well, it's not that big of a deal. Well, it can cause serious effects to certain people and certain bodies. But we have a system and a different way of doing it. Normally, people say if it's got mold on it, you got to throw it away. You got to cut it out and remove it. We have a system that puts out a hydrogen peroxide gas, and we can literally kill the mold behind the walls.
Okay.
And so we have a 6-step procedure to what we do. You look at a lot of companies that are out there, they basically just quantify, say you have mold, and they go in and eliminate it, and then maybe run some tests afterwards. Well, it's a little more involved than that to make sure that it never comes back again, and to make sure that that home or that business place is a healthy, safe place for that family to be living.
And you wanted to introduce Charles today
Yes.
because this will be the man that comes out and fixes those problems.
Yes, Charlie's been with us for a little while. He's great. He's got a lot of indoor air quality experience, and kind of our hygienist, the doctor, I guess, that goes out.
That's a good thing to be
things.
called, right?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
So he goes out and gets on site and really identifies things and works with people and puts together the steps and the procedures and walks the customer right through to what can be done and how to address things.
Very good. If people have questions about mold or any type of restoration they may be doing, what's the best place to reach you?
You can find us on our website, www.ramrestorationusa.com, and then also our phone number, 937-885-0088. We answer our phones 24/7, so we deal with emergencies and insurance work, and also any other remodeling needs as well.
Very good. Thank you both so much for being here. Appreciate
Thank you.
you.